Hi, Methacton families, and those of you who have students taking AP exams this year. As you know, College Board has altered the way they are administrating exams a bit this year. Students have the option of taking in-person exams for all exams, and for most exams, there is an online option. Your student has already chosen their option for the upcoming tests. And what I am including today are both information on the in-person exams as well as what students need to do for the online exams. A couple of things I'd like to stress is that even if you think you're going to take the in-person exams, it's probably worth looking through the process for the online exams. Should an issue arise that would make your student unable to attend the in-person exams, for most of them, not all, but for most of them, there is an online option that they could potentially take should there be an in-person issue. But I would need to know at least 10 days in advance of that online exam to be able to, for your student to access that. If you have any questions on that, you can certainly reach out to me. So it's important to probably understand both. But for those of you who are testing in person, which is most students are taking an exam in person. A couple of things that are very, very important. You please bring your own products. Obviously, it's important for you to have your own pencil, your own pens. We are not going to have a plethora of extra items, and obviously we don't want students to share those items, so you want to bring your personal supplies. All students will need to wear a mask when they're in the building and follow our Methacton health and safety plan. Additionally, please, you must be on time. So there are morning exams and there are afternoon exams. These test times are given to us by College Board. We have a window of when they can begin, but in order to get students seated and to follow protocols, I think everything is going to take a little bit longer this year. So it's imperative to follow the time frames. If you have a morning exam, we are asking you to be here by 7:30 in the morning. So that means by 7:30 in the morning, you should be at your check-in location. Not still pulling in, because again, it's going to be a process. So that check-in location is going to be C149 for exams that occur Monday through Thursday. And for those exams that occur on Friday, it's just going to be the main lobby. So very similar hallway. But again, it's really important to be here by 7:30 for at your check-in location. If you have a PM exam, 11:30, please arrive by 11:30 a.m. to your check-in location, and the check-in locations remain the same. C149 Monday through Thursday, and for Friday will be the main lobby. There's a lot of embedded information in both PowerPoints. I encourage you to please look through both. I am going to push some information out to students through their AP classes. We will do an informational meeting via video and kind of go over some of the highlights as well. Also, all of the Google Classroom for the AP students will be updated, as well as the AP website on the Methacton homepage. So again, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me, Carrie Kokenauer, and I hope that you find the information in both sets of PowerPoints helpful as we move into AP testing season. Thank you.